What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Google Gemini platform on Google Workspace. So Google Gemini is an AI model similar to ChatGPT in the sense that you can enter prompts or add prompts and it will answer you. And the more advanced thing here is that you can give prompts by voice or even upload a photo to analyze and ask about the photo. You can even paste YouTube links and stuff like that. Now, to edit or to integrate with Google Workspace, simply go here to Settings and then Extensions. And if you scroll down, you should see here Google Workspace. Just click on it. And then here you should see your email. And once you have verified your information, just click on Connect to integrate your Google Workspace with Gemini in order to use the AI features on your Google Workspace. And integrating Gemini with your Google Workspace allows you to harness the power of AI. So you can tell it, for example, to summarize your document on Google Docs, or to plan a budget, or like in Google Sheets to create a budget planner for your month, and even summarize emails and many more features.